So we've got our Andy 900 XXL and we're going to set our film length. So using the reset button, pushing that once, we'll pull up P1-1, which is our temperature for the first side. Pushing it second, that's our other heating element temperature, so left and right. P2 is our counter, so if we want to open counter or closed counter. P3 is our cup waiting time, which is how long it takes to run on automatic. We'll show you that. 4 is our seal time, that's how long the head seals for. 5 is our important one for film. This is what's controlling it. P5003 is our encoder on the side here. So that's our encoder. It has our little teeth in there, and that's what's counting how much film gets through the machine. So with P5 at 003 is telling the machine that it is using the encoder. And with P5003 up, brings up P6, and P6 is a value of 118, which is each value is 2 millimeters. So at the moment we've got 118 points, which would be 236 millimeters worth of film to get through and seal 2 trays. And then P8 is printer, and we don't have a printer on this machine, so that is just set at 0. Now we're looking at the actual trays coming out after it's sealed, looking at the go around that side. So we'll just look at this. Alright, so I'll talk through this actually. So looking at our distance for our film, this is our first tray, and that's our second tray, and that's between our 2 sets of trays. So that's our distance between the 2 values that we've set, and that's our really important number. So if we increase our value, that piece will get bigger. That's in between the 2 trays, so that one was in between the 2 trays, but that's between the 2 sets of trays. So we'll watch the machine running and you'll be able to see it. So just running on manual mode, being able to push the manual button, it will seal both of these trays and then move the film through. So this section here between the 2 trays is what we'll look at on the side here. So that's that piece there. So we'll watch this seal again, and this is the piece between the 2 trays, so the 2 sets of trays. So we'll run the machine again and we'll watch. So this was between the 2 trays, so that was the end of the tray seal between the trays, and that piece down there is between the 2 sets. So that's how we've set the machine up, and what we'll do is it'll be all ready to go when you get the machine.